Hi guys, today I'm playing Your Only Ups. Yes, yours. So first we're playing Wind Up, one per video. So just comment down your only up, and I'm actually gonna do the ones I know. I just did Wind Up because I don't want to do the normal only up because everyone's already seen that. But yeah, play only up gateway. And plushie player one. So that's yeah, cool. Okay, so first, this is the map. Not staff. Not asking for staff, but it would be cool. The reason I'm not doing this in Publix is because then I'm gonna get angry and I'm probably gonna get canceled. Epic skip, epic skip. You already know. Yeah, if I don't like this, we're gonna get time off. Oh my god. Yay. Look, there's a trampoline down there. Oh. No, no. So what do I do? I forgot. Yeah, I need a bat because I've played this before, but I don't think I've ever been. Yo, I think I go on my teleporters. I don't get it. The river blocks are just, they're just easy. I hate this game.
Ho, ho, ho!
I hate this game. Time Labs. Well, I'm dying right now because I'm so bad. It's not through so far. I hit it here. It was like just right there. So yeah. You know what would be nice, guys? If you guys like just subscribe so I can get 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. Really cool that with me, and it would make you really cool. Okay, if I die this no block, I'm bad. Let's do that. If I just died. Oh yeah. Oh god. Okay, if I'm gonna fall right here, I would like to fall right there. Oh my gosh, that's where I died once. I just forgot about that. Oh my gosh. Please end. Thank you. Oh my. This is the last one I'm doing. There's another level after this. So yeah, you guys should totally go on the Eve's live stream December 26th, 2024, 4 p.m. Eve's live stream because they're announcing the winners. Be careful. Nuh-uh. Okay. That was close. These are like one of the hardest jumps. Oh yeah. If I have to get 2 of them in. Guys, if I beat this first try, you have to subscribe. Don't blame me. Actually, blame me, because I missed like 10 times. No, I'm joking. subscribe to that guy, I guess. No! No! I was wrong cooking. Yeah! Oh yeah! I'm in. Why am I kind of freaked out? Oh my gosh. Don't die here. No places to die. Don't die here. Next video. If you're still watching, we have a winner with a name. I think it was like for the bye.